Mayong aga. Good morning from Negros. I am Ariel Gides, the president of Alter Trade Philippines Foundation for Food Sovereignty, and we are working for a fair trade and people-to-people producers in Negros Island here in the Philippines. To the Gyeonggi World Fair Trade Celebration, congratulations to the opening ceremony of the Gyeonggi Fair Trade Fortnight Festival for this year 2021. As I remember, I was invited to the festival in 2019 as a representative from fair trade producers of Duri Co-op, which participated in the successful opening ceremony and could share our Balangon, banana, and producer stories with a lot of people in various cities collecting here and gathering here. It was a great experience for me. Last year, however, Alter Trade, Muscovado Processing, and also our Balangon partners, particularly in Muscovado, we had to close for a while to minimize the spread of the COVID-19 virus, and our producers were suffering from lockdowns which limited the movement of these people, our partner producers. And to overcome the hardship that we felt, ATPF has strengthened the solidarity relationship with the international partners, particularly in Korea, such as Duri Co-op, Hanselim, and PT Co-op, and we would like to appreciate once again through this opportunity that you have given me for your solidarity and your celebration. I have learned that it's still hard to gather and collect people around the world everywhere, including here in the Philippines and Korea. However, I am delighted to know that you didn't give up and you carry on for the event. It must be possible that a lot of people in Gyeonggi province are supporting fair trade, and I am very sure of that. I believe solidarity relationship has become even more important between fair trade producers and consumers, especially around this time, considering that we are concerned about the future generations due to the climate crisis and with the pandemic all over the world. Although we cannot meet each other face to face, I hope all of you will remember the producers behind the fair trade products while you talk about the fair trade to each other and about your concerns, not only in Korea, but also in the Philippines and all over the world. So once again, congratulations on the opening ceremony of Gyeonggi Fair Trade Fortnight 2021. And I look forward to all the fair trade events in the cities of Gyeonggi Province for 2 weeks, which I myself have visited during 2019. You know, in my last visit there in 2019, I bought this shirt together with some Duri representatives, and I was very, very thankful for having this because it was autumn time. So I wear this shirt again to make you remember me. To Gyeonggi Fair Trade Fortnight, keep fighting, and we are one with you. Congratulations once again.